Hi students, welcome back to our math class. Today we can discuss about elimination method. The pair of linear equations, solving pair of linear equations by elimination method. Already we have discussed about substitution method and we had some more examples. Now let us see what steps we can follow in elimination method. After that, we can solve some more examples for better understanding. Students, now we have learnt the steps, which steps we have followed in elimination method.
We can follow the steps while solving a pair of linear equations in two variables in elimination method. Students, let us see the steps which solve in an example sum. Now we can move to example.
Now we can solve an example by elimination method. Solve x plus y is equal to 5, x minus 1 y is equals to 1 by elimination method. Students, observe here. We have already solved this pair of linear equations by substitution method. Now we can try to solve this pair by elimination method. What is eliminate? For solving this pair, we must eliminate a variable, either x or y, by adding these two equations or subtracting these two equations. Further, first of all, we can equalize the coefficients of either x or y, either x or y. Students, first of all, take x plus y is equal to 5 as equation 1, x minus y is equal to 1 as equation 2. First, in equation 1, in equation 2, coefficient of x, coefficient of y. What is coefficient of x in equation 1? Yes, 1. What is coefficient of y? Yes, exactly. This is also 1. What is coefficient here? 1. What is coefficient in this particular equation? Minus 1. Observe students, here coefficient of x is 1 in equation 1. In equation 2 also coefficient of x is 1. Observe here coefficient of y is 1, coefficient of y is minus 1. If we subtract 2 from 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. If we add 1 and 2, 1 plus minus 1 is equals to 0. In this particular case, both x coefficients are equal, y coefficients are additive inverse to each other. That's why we can add or subtract for eliminating one variable. So, students, first we can do either subtract or add. First, do 1 minus 2. This means subtract 2 from 1. Subtract 2 from 1. Students, 1 minus 2. Write equation 1, x plus y is equal to 5. Write equation 2, x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. That means we have to multiply equation 2 by minus 1. We have to multiply equation 2 by minus 1. Students, understand? Equation 2 by minus. The sign of this x is nothing but plus. If we multiply plus by minus, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. The sign of y is minus. If we multiply minus by minus, minus into minus, minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. Students, the sign of 1 is nothing but plus, minus into plus, minus into plus. We multiply equation 2 by minus, so we must multiply LHS and RHS by minus sign. Students, plus minus. The coefficient of x is 1. Here coefficient of x is 1. This is plus 1. This is minus 1. 1 plus minus 1. Understand? 0. Observe here, students. This is plus 1. This is plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. The sign is plus plus plus. Students, observe here. This is plus 5. This is minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Yes. 2y is equal to 4. Where y is equal to 4 by 2. This is nothing but 2. Students, we have a variable. We have a variable. Yes. We convert. We express this is as linear equation in one variable. From this linear equation in one variable, we get the value. We got the value y is equal to 2. Now we want to find the value of x. For this, for finding the value of x, we can substitute value of y in either equation 1 or in equation 2. Either in equation 1 or in equation 2. For example, substitute y is equal to 2 in equation 1. Students, from equation 1 x plus y is equal to 5. Now we replace the value of y by 2 equal to 5. X is equals to, in LHS this is plus 2. We can transpose, this can be like as minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Therefore, x is equals to 3. Students, what is solution? The value of x is 3 and the value of y is 2. So our solution is 3, we can move for checking. Students, the difference between elimination method and a substitution method. We can substitute known variable in either equation 1 or in equation 2. That is an elimination method. But in substitution method, we must substitute known variable in other equation only. There is a lot of difference between substitution method and elimination method. Students, we have the solution. Now let us check whether the solution is right or wrong. For that, substitute 3, 2 in equation 1. Students, take LHS x plus y. Yes, students. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Is this RHS? Yes. This is RHS. Now LHS is equal to RHS. 3 is the solution for equation 1. Now let us check in equation 2. Substitute 3 in 2. Students, take LHS. X minus y. 3 minus 2. The mean x is 3 and y is 2. Yes, this is also RHS. Observe here. In both equations, LHS is equal to RHS. So our 3 is solution for the given pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Now let us move to another example which the coefficients are not equal.